So
ChatGPT doesn't understand. So remember, guys, AI is generative. It can only generate. It's not creative. A human has the creative ability, right? So AI just goes and takes what other humans have inputted and give you an output. Does that make sense? So when it comes to content creation, I think AI is one of the things that you need to be extremely careful, because everybody else, the people who have shitty videos on the internet, they're doing the same shit. Like everybody's asking ChatGPT and Claude to give them a nice Instagram script, or like that shit it sounds crazy because everybody's doing it. So when everybody's doing it, there's no real experts. The experts actually succeed more. So the reason why our businesses excel is because I've been making content for 10 years. So I'm the one that tells the AI what to fix, not the other way around. If you don't, it's like, you know, can ChatGPT help you? Can ChatGPT fix electronics? Let's say you and ChatGPT were giving a customer feedback on their phone that was broken. I'm sure ChatGPT can help them, no?
yeah, but understood the point. The point well driven home.
There are certain things that you understand that the AI could never understand. And it can only generate, and because the person doesn't know, it ends up being not as useful. As opposed to you using AI, you actually have an advantage because you can correct the AI and be like, no, that's not actually right. This plus this is actually a better output. The AI helps you solve the tedious manual labor, but it can't create the expertise. Does that make sense?
Sure, absolutely.
So that's what we help with. I mean, it's not